Kraken YouTube? Welcome back to Myers two-stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, yeah, we got the Kraken Vesla on the ground, and well, we did the last rip with the 71 in the Punisher, so we're gonna do the last rip for a while with the Taylor 35 in the Kraken Vesla. So conditions have changed a lot since the last time I had the super spikes on it. We got a lot of moisture, about an inch of rain yesterday. That's when I did the rain rip of the Rocat Hybrid. That video's out. You should check it out if you haven't seen it. But anyways, the conditions are changed. There should be a lot of grip in the ground. We'll see if if it's geared out and it just blows the tires off. It's going to be interesting to see how it reacts. That's what I'm trying to say. And I think we might even get maybe even a wheelie or two out of it. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll get it fired up, get you guys put on my head, and we'll get at this. Everybody always says that I take off with my machines too early, but right now it should be warm enough. It's not gonna do anything stupid like the piston's gonna expand faster than the cylinder. So that being said, let's rip. Woo! Oops, she died. There's something going on. I think this carburetor's like, I don't know, there's something going on with this carburetor. It feels like, it's starving it of fuel on high RPMs, it sounds like. There's a couple other people that are having an issue with it too. See, and it doesn't get on the pipe, and see, it just died again. So yeah, there's something going on. When I take this engine out, I think I'm gonna go through the carburetor, and I don't know what's going on with it. Somebody said something about a screen being plugged or a screen that's doubled up that doesn't work right. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it's got a WJ71 on it. Leave a comment in the comments section, because I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on with this, because at high RPMs it acts like it's starving out for fuel. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with it, guys. It just doesn't sound right. And it won't get up on the pipe. And this air filter is not dirty or anything. There's getting up on the pipe a little bit. See, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not doing that. It's just, it does it on its own. And then it just dies. See, it acts like it's really lean, and then you let off a throttle, and it just poops out. So, I don't know, we'll see. Probably gonna blow this mud off these tires and take it in, because it's not any fun to drive like this, in my opinion. Yeah, it feels like it's down on power too. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it, guys. All right, guys, woo! I stayed okay, Rip, with it. I mean, that was, I don't know what's going on with it. It's definitely got an issue, and it's definitely getting worse and worse. It's not getting any better is what I'm trying to say. I figured maybe, you know, something was just going on, something needed to be running through it, but that's not the case. Something's going on with it. So when I take it out of the Vesla, what I'm going to do is I'm wanting to get Mike's V2 cylinder in the first place. And what I'll probably do is take that carburetor apart and see what's going on inside of it, because I just have a feeling there's something in it. Something causing a fuel flow problem at high RPM. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to figure it out. So that being said, anyways, it was a great rip. Started out great. Didn't end so well, but it's just the way it goes, guys. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and don't forget, we will see you in the next one.